Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to use AI photo editing on Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's begin! The main thing about the AI photo editing is indeed the object eraser itself, and we are going to focus on it in this video. First, you want to head into the gallery and then simply enter the image that you want to edit using AI. I have two images, and this image is a tragic tale of a very typical hard reset logo family. As you can see, here we have the father, here we have the mother, and here we have a child. And unfortunately, the mother cheated on the father. And of course now the father wants to remove the mother from the picture. So he can go into the AI button, and we can even have a very cool, information about certain things, like we can reimagine our images by moving things around, we can remove it or enhance it or add in some cool things. We can even transform pictures of dogs, cats and people into the cartoons, paintings and more. This last part is pretty to be honest, but whatever. Also note that you need to have your Samsung account connected for this to work. So now we want to enter generative edit, and in generative edit we want to simply circle our mother around, and as you can see it even detected the mother itself, and now all you want to do is simply press erase. And now we can see this weird thing, and this means that this is currently tagged as to be removed, basically. And now all you want to do is simply hit the generate, and at any moment we should see a beautiful nothingness in the place of mother, of course. And we can now save copy. And we have a nice information that when you save an image edited with AI, a watermark and content credentials are added to the image to show that it contains AI generated content. I think this is a very good feature. And as you can see, here is direct comparison. I think it did a pretty good job. However, to be clear, I do know that this is plain white background. And if you look very closely, you technically can see where the spot was. It's pretty hard to see, but it's kind of obvious once you know the difference between those two. Also, you can see that I think colors are kind of off, but I'm not entirely sure. However, what we want to do now is we want to test AI even further. This image is once again a tragic tale of a tragic hard reset logo family, and this time we also want to remove the mother, but as you can see, the mother now lays on a man she cheated on, or a woman. It doesn't really matter. I have no idea what I'm talking about. My point is that removing it will be quite interesting, because now AI not only has to remove the logo, but also it needs to add up the background in place of it. So we can circle around our hard reset logo mother. Now let's hit remove, and technically it's now done. Let's hit generate and let's see what will happen. Want to wait for a moment. As you can see, it is adding missing places, and this looks actually quite good. Let's go into save copy, and now we have a direct comparison between those two. Now, if I want to be honest, well, yeah, it looks like AI did a really good job with it. We can see the texture, and it copied the texture pretty well. But if you see this texture on this side and compare it to this one here, you can clearly see when AI was actually working with. But when watching from afar, this looks pretty good. Not the best, but pretty good nonetheless. And anyway, that's all for this video. Now you can know how you can remove people, objects and other things from the background using AI on your Samsung Galaxy S25. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.